Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet Nails. I hope you all are doing amazing today. Took a little bit of a break on here, but I am back and I am very excited for today's video because recently Beetles Gel reached out to me and they were kind enough to send me 4 of their products. As you can see, they sent me the 8 colors gel nail polish kits, and they also sent me the rhinestones gel kit. They also sent me the prep and dehydrator and then a cuticle oil, which I completely forgot to film in this video, but they did send me those as well. The box has a magnetic flap, so you just open it up and this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, it came with 8 gel polishes, 2 packs of rhinestones, which some are the colorful rhinestones and some of them are the little shaped rhinestones. They're really pretty, really shiny under the light. It also came with 2 sticker sheets. One has snowflakes and little trees. The other sticker sheet is colorful. It has cute little animals on it. There's a cat and a bunny. There's some wreaths on there. I didn't use it in today's video, but I am looking forward to using it in the future. This kit, as you can see, also came with a cat eye magnet. This kit includes 2 cat eye gel polishes. One is red and the other one is the sparkly gold color. And then there's also a cuticle oil. I had a little bit of trouble taking it out of the box, so I just left it in there. I'm going to show you all every gel polish that is in here. First is the red cat eye gel. I really like the bottles. They're very cute and festive. And I also like this cat eye color because it's not just a silver magnetic particle in it, it's a red. This one I was really excited about. It is like a snowflake topper. It's really cute and it's actually way more sparkly when you apply it. This is just a sparkly glittery red. Pretty traditional Christmas colors in this kit. I have a flash gel. It's a silver with these really pretty glitter in it. It honestly looks like Christmas lights, especially under bright light. It just reflects so well. I was honestly shocked by it. And of course, no Christmas gel polish kit is complete without a traditional white cream gel. Of course, we have our traditional Christmas red color. This kit only comes with 1 nude color. It doesn't look like what the sticker shows, and on camera it looks more gray, but it's way more pink in person. And then finally we have this gorgeous gold cat eye color. I did not use this in today's video, but I will definitely be trying it at some point. It is super pretty. Like I said before, I love that the cat eyes aren't just a silver cat eye in them, it's an actual color. This kit also came with the top coat and the base coat too. Copyright was detected on this part of my video, so I had to take it down and now I'm just doing a voice clip to let you guys know. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you all the rhinestones glue kit. When this package arrived and I picked up the box, it sounded like a rain stick. I was like, oh no, because all of the rhinestones fell out and I had to clean them up, but it was fine. It's not their fault. Anyways, this kit came with some tweezers. These are actually some pretty serious tweezers. They're very pointy, and it also has the flat rubber end for applying nail stickers. It also came with a 3D sculpting gel, which I am so excited about. I swear every single video I'm like, man, I wish I had some 3D gel, and I finally have some. I'm so excited. And then we have the rhinestone glue. I am also very excited about that because this is thick, and the other one that I have, it's runny, but I used this in today's video and you're gonna see what it looks like. It's also, like I said, came with a bunch of charms and rhinestones. The magnetic balls are what mostly fell out when I opened up the package because the lid was open on it for some reason. It was a pain to clean up, but I did it. There are some really cute charms in this. I am obsessed with this rhinestone reindeer. Are you kidding me? Look at it. Even my husband was like, wow, these are really nice and they're really cute. So I'm using my fake hand today because my real hands are very dry and irritated. Last night my skin was burning. It hurt really bad. I'm also saving my nails for another video. So say hi to my fake hand. I haven't used my fake hand in such a long time. she's happy to be here. So first of all, of course, we're going in with our Beetles gel base coat. This will apply really nicely. It's got a good brush to it. It doesn't have too much of a crazy smell to it. I'm kind of sensitive to smells of nail products, but this one wasn't too bad. My base color, I am using G211, which came in the kit. I'm going to apply 2 layers of this. Now, all of the bottles say, whether it's the top coat, base coat, gel polish, it says to cure 60 to 90 seconds, which is quite a range, but I do have a professional nail lamp, so I did do just 60 seconds and it appeared to be fine. Then I went in with G212, which is the snowflake topper. This is so pretty. It's very sparkly. I created kind of an ombre effect, and this was really easy to do without any special brushes. You can just easily dab the gel to create the effect. I didn't show it, but I did do 2 layers of this, and you can do more or less. It's really just up to you. Then I took this cute snowflake sticker and applied it up towards the cuticle, and I used the flat end of the tweezers to make sure it is down. Now, an important step I also didn't show, you should definitely wipe off the inhibition layer after you cure all of your gels before applying a sticker, because if you don't, that sticker is gonna slip and slide. Then I took one of the rhinestones from the kit and applied it to the center of the snowflake. And I'm gonna do the same exact design on this nail too. I was kind of torn between using just the plain topper at the free edge of the nail, or going in with white at the base and kind of fading it up like a baby boomer French tip. But I was afraid that the white was too white, and then the little snowflake particles in it were gonna not appear. So I like what I did here. I think next time I would do it differently. Maybe just do like leave the free edge clear and then put the color, or put the topper over top of it. But I like how this came out. I think it's pretty cute. I did accidentally rip 2 of these stickers on the sticker sheets because they're kind of delicate, so I had to be very careful lifting them up. I bent the page and put my fingernail under it around the outline of the sticker. Otherwise, if you just try to lift it up, it's gonna rip. The ring finger, I am going back in with my base color, and I am doing 2 layers of this color. I decided to do a Santa hat French tip, so I'm using the traditional red color in the kit, and I just placed where I wanted my French tip to start, and I did the outline, and then I went in with the bottle brush and finished filling it in. Use my small detail brush to draw, I guess, I don't really know what you call it, the tail of the hat, where the little puffball goes. I decided to glam it up a little, and I went ahead and used the cat eye gel in the kit, and I just filled it in over top of the red. I meant to mention this earlier, but I've never really tried Beetles gel. I have one other product that I had bought earlier this year. It was a rainbow cat eye gel, and it came with a barrel magnet, which I literally use that magnet all the time. It's my favorite magnet. So I was really excited that they sent me some of their products to try, because I always look at them online and I was just like, well, maybe one day. As you saw, to create the little fluffy on the brim of the hat and the puffball, I used the white cream gel. pinky nail, I really wanted the snowflake topper to have its moment, so I applied it just plain on this nail, and I did do 2 layers. I decided to challenge myself and use the tiny little metal round balls that came in the charm kit. I'll tell you what, it wasn't even an accident, okay? I did it on purpose. I was gonna try to get away and say, oh, I did it on accident. I did not. I did it on purpose. And I should have taken a video of it. But I have a little pen magnet tool, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna like pick them up with my magnet tool and then drop them over the gel and create this cute little like line of beads. Nope. I have beads everywhere. I had beads stuck to a magnet, and then I took another magnet and got a bunch of beads stuck on that one as well. So I had to clean them up. My best advice for this type of charm is to mix it with some top coat or even rhinestone gel, whichever you prefer, and then take a brush and put them on the nail. Don't be like me and think a magnet tool is gonna be helpful, because it wasn't. You can see on the one side that the beads are kind of messed up, so I did go back and fix them the best that I could. I always struggle trying to decide on what to do with the thumbnail, so I decided to use the flash gel, and I did 2 layers of it. It's having its moments. It looks very nice. As you can see the glitter in it, it's the silver, and then it also has like red, green, and blue glitter in it, which is such a nice touch. And I'm not being paid to say any of this. I am doing this on my own free will. Like, this whole kit, it really does have attention to detail. It feels like very traditional and Christmassy. I love it. I didn't want to leave the sticker plain, so I applied some rhinestone gel where I wanted to put some rhinestones. And then I took some of the tiny ones and placed them on the tree like little ornaments. Now, of course, top coat everything. I saved the ring finger for last because I was afraid of color transfer from the red. But when I wiped my brush at the end of everything, there was no color transfer, which I like. I know sometimes pigment transfer can be normal, but for me, I don't want that because it's very annoying ruining top coats from color transfer. Overall, I really liked this kit. I think my favorite part about this kit is that it was extremely cohesive. Like, everything went together, and there's so much variety in the kit with the charms and the different gels and the stickers. You could do so many different combinations of stuff. And to be honest with you all, I think that some of these colors you could wear well into like February for Valentine's Day. So it's not just like a kit you use for one holiday or one season and then you're kind of just sitting around with it, you know? I think this is like a really good kit. Here's the final reveal. Oh, this is so cute. I really love it, and I hope you guys did too. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share this if you wanna, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.